The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO Full Carbon by Mansory represents a radical leap that transforms one of the world's most controversial electric vehicles into a new dimension of luxury, presence, and high-performance aesthetics. The original Tesla Cybertruck already challenged every established design convention within the automotive industry through its unapologetically angular stainless steel architecture and futuristic electric torque. Mansory, a globally recognized atelier for hyper-exclusive automotive customization, has taken this boundary-breaking platform and re-engineered it into a bespoke masterpiece tailored for elite clientele who demand individuality that is impossible to ignore. The result is a Cybertruck that has evolved beyond its utilitarian origins into a dominant sculptural statement crafted almost entirely from ultra-light structural carbon fiber. The Elongation EVO Full Carbon conversion focuses first on redefining exterior proportions. Mansory has delicately stretched the factory wheelbase and body length to provide a more assertive silhouette, enhancing cabin space while reinforcing road presence. This elongation is not merely stylistic. It elevates practicality by enabling a more luxurious rear passenger environment and smoother aerodynamic behavior at highway speeds. The standard Cybertruck's sharp planes and faceted edges remain present, although Mansory's redesign introduces flowing carbon structures that strategically balance the vehicle's aggressive geometry with performance-oriented elegance. Every exterior panel from hood to tailgate undergoes full carbon reconstruction. The carbon fiber is not wrapped or partially integrated, rather it replaces the original material completely to generate significant weight savings while augmenting rigidity. Such meticulous craftsmanship aligns with Mansory's design philosophy where carbon is engineered not as a decorative layer, but as a structural enhancement. The front fascia expresses a more athletic identity through reimagined air channels and customized aerodynamic louvers that optimize cooling efficiency for the high-output electric powertrain and battery systems. Mansory completes the front transformation with a signature LED lighting integration, more refined than Tesla's stock lighting. The illumination adopts a narrower, more concentrated beam signature to produce an intimidating presence both in daylight and nighttime environments. The bespoke front lip, constructed from laminated carbon composites, provides improved downforce during rapid acceleration, countering the natural lift produced by the vehicle's steep wind-deflecting body geometry. Moving along the side architecture, the extended wheelbase not only provides additional opulence for interior occupants but accommodates newly calibrated performance suspension modules designed by Mansory engineers. Precision-tuned electronic dampers work in concert with a custom-developed air suspension system that adjusts instantly based on speed, steering angle, and terrain feedback. Whether navigating urban streets or uneven off-road landscapes, the Elongation EVO commands stability and confidence. Massive forged aluminum Mansory wheels, ranging between 22 and 24 inches depending on client specification, are wrapped in performance-grade all-terrain tires that extend the Cybertruck's versatility beyond typical luxury SUV expectations. The wheels feature a unique diamond-cut turbine design, optimized to reduce rotational turbulence and increase cooling for the massive brake assemblies hidden behind them. The wide-body interpretation delivers proportionally bold fender expansions on all four corners, embedding carbon-infused wheel arch reinforcements that contribute to aerodynamic channeling, directing airflow cleanly along the chassis to decrease drag coefficients. Mansory includes custom power-deploying side steps for improved cabin ingress, concealed seamlessly within the carbon rocker panels when retracted. Small enhancements, such as carbon machined mirror housings and dark-tinted polycarbonate glass elements, emphasize a stealth luxury design ethos. The window tinting complies with privacy and exclusivity demands associated with vehicles owned by celebrities, executives, and royalty included among Mansory's traditional clientele. At the rear, the Elongation EVO continues its aggressive carbon-centric transformation with a newly sculpted rear diffuser, active aerodynamic fins, and a reprofiled tailgate that integrates a finely illuminated Mansory emblem in place of Tesla's original branding. The Cybertruck's functional utility characteristics, such as its cargo bed, remain accessible though enhanced by newly reinforced protective materials that bear higher resistance to abrasions and environmental exposures. Mansory introduces an optional carbon tonneau cover with automated deployment that grants security and a striking uniform appearance over the full carbon surface integration. Aerodynamics see further improvement with a roof spoiler that shapes rear airflow to reduce turbulence and enhance cabin quietness at higher cruising speeds. The chosen finish plays a central role in the aesthetic identity of this conversion. Mansory offers multiple carbon weave options, including high-gloss exposed carbon with distinctive large-format fiber structures. This direction highlights craftsmanship and introduces a hypnotic play of light across each panel contour. Customers may opt for satin-finished stealth carbon that intensifies the futuristic militaristic persona of the Cybertruck. Each carbon component undergoes rigorous hand polishing and clear coating processes to ensure long-term UV stability and resistance to discoloration. The visual result is breathtaking and confirms the Cybertruck Elongation EVO full carbon as a hyper-exclusive art object that merges advanced material science with luxury design philosophy. Inside the cabin, the transformation shifts toward unparalleled comfort and handcrafted personalization. Mansory reimagines the interior through the extensive application of premium leathers, alcantara, contrast stitching, forged carbon inserts, and customizable accent lighting that sweeps along the dashboard and door panels. The elongated configuration creates significantly enhanced rear legroom, offering executive-class seating that rivals private jet comfort. Rear passengers receive a dedicated control unit enabling independent adjustment of climate settings, entertainment displays, and seat functions including reclining, heating, ventilation, and massage programs. The standard Tesla user interface is further supplemented with Mansory exclusive graphic overlays and customizable digital themes, enabling deeper personalization of the vehicle's technological ecosystem. Acoustic refinement represents a priority in interior redevelopment. The stock Tesla sound environment, though already engineered for EV quietness, is strengthened using multi-layer insulation materials placed throughout the underbody, doors, wheel wells, and roof structure. This reduces harshness from road surfaces and contributes to a tranquil cabin experience even at higher velocities. The optional audiophile-grade spatial audio system is developed specifically to suit Cybertruck interior acoustics. Precision-tuned speakers are embedded within the cabin architecture to deliver immersive frequency distribution that maintains clarity under all driving conditions. Performance enhancements focus on optimizing Tesla's dual-motor or tri-motor Plaid configurations, depending on customer order. Mansory calibrations emphasize torque management and throttle responsiveness. Although Tesla restricts aftermarket powertrain modifications to protect system integrity, Mansory introduces advanced cooling improvements and lightweight components that indirectly increase real-world performance metrics. Reduced weight due to carbon fiber body replacement improves acceleration, handling agility, and braking efficiency. The Cybertruck already delivers blistering acceleration, with potential sub 3-second 0 to 100 km/h figures in high-output configurations, and Mansory's lightweight conversion sharpens that capability. Further technological upgrades include recalibrated ABS, torque vectoring optimizations, high-performance brake pad compounds, and slotted performance discs for superior thermal dissipation under stressful driving scenarios. The battery system remains Tesla-engineered and fully compatible with supercharger networks. Range benefits indirectly through weight reduction and aerodynamic improvements. Clients receive detailed technical documentation confirming all modifications remain compliant with regulatory requirements for road legality in target regions. Safety remains indispensable. Due to the re-engineering of structural panels, Mansory collaborates with certified crash structure experts to maintain or surpass original passive safety performance. The full carbon body is optimized with strategic crumple layer construction. While carbon fiber is typically rigid, engineered layup patterns allow controlled fracturing to absorb impact energy in a predictable manner. Occupant protection systems, autonomous safety programs, and driver assistance technology remain fully integrated. Tesla's suite of continuously evolving software-driven enhancements, including autopilot and upcoming full self-driving improvements, operates seamlessly with Mansory hardware modifications. Ownership exclusivity drives the demand for projects of this category. Mansory produces the Elongation EVO full carbon in extremely limited numbers. Each undergoes hand-built customization with direct client collaboration. Prospective buyers receive design consultations to personalize every element from exterior carbon weave pattern to embroidered signatures in headrests, individualized ambient color schemes, and even custom-programmed welcome animations in the infotainment display. Michelin-rated privacy and luxury accommodations are a core expectation, reflected in bespoke accessory availability including custom luggage packages matching the interior material palette. These touches elevate the Cybertruck beyond a mere transport vehicle into a couture-level mobility creation. Clients ranging from global collectors to high-profile personalities appreciate the emotional value and investment potential associated with Mansory customizations. As future electrification becomes dominant in the luxury sector, pioneering builds such as this one acquire immediate icon status. The Cybertruck platform represents a canvas for reimagining what a high-performance luxury EV can express aesthetically and functionally. Mansory's work positions itself within this growing segment as a brand capable of transforming mainstream electric innovation into ultra-exclusive handcrafted art. The Cybertruck already exists as a symbol of rugged futurism, yet Mansory's reinterpretation introduces a sophisticated layer of refinement while maintaining the foundational identity of strength and unconventionality. It merges brutal geometric ideology with luxury craftsmanship and engineering precision. The Elongation EVO full carbon version stands unapologetic in its ambition to redefine automotive luxury for an electrified age. It captures a world where sustainability, power, individuality, and craftsmanship converge. This project reveals a significant shift occurring in the automotive customization landscape. Tuning houses that once focused solely on combustion supercars now embrace electric mobility as the future of the high-end market. As electric propulsion continues accelerating technological progression, the design freedom associated with vehicles such as the Cybertruck supplies exceptional opportunities for creative innovation. Mansory's involvement highlights that luxury and performance tuning in the EV era is evolving beyond horsepower figures. Future clientele value silent torque, signature presence, personalization, and brand-defining uniqueness more than ever. Luxury EV ownership is becoming a lifestyle statement. The Cybertruck Elongation EVO full carbon is tailored for a personality that thrives on attention and transformative engineering excellence. It is inadequate to categorize this machine under any conventional automotive labels such as SUV, pickup, or crossover. It exists as a hybrid between a hyper-luxury utility vehicle, a road-dominating electric grand tourer, and a collectible design icon. Its elongated cabin ensures limousine-like comfort while its structural rigidity supports adventurous driving with zero compromise. The craftsmanship on display signifies the pinnacle of artisanship applied to an EV. Every carbon layer, every stitch in the seating, and every machined component communicates exclusivity. Owning this vehicle means entering a niche automotive club, where innovation and extravagance merge without restraint. It denotes a future where luxury tuning brands align closely with technological evolution to produce masterpieces inaccessible to the mainstream. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck Elongation EVO full carbon challenges outdated perceptions of electric vehicles as merely eco-friendly transportation. Instead, it proves that sustainable power can coexist with hyper-luxury and cutthroat aesthetics. Mansory demonstrates that electric mobility has matured to embrace highly personalized expression at the highest strata of wealth and aspiration. The result is not just a modified Cybertruck. It is a declaration that the future of luxury automotive culture beats silently under a high-voltage pulse, wrapped in carbon and shaped by human creativity.